Welcome to video from the second part of this series. In this video, we will continue the demonstration process using Photoshop, and this video will be designed about the distribution of palm trees, and shrubs. We will change the green area pattern to have a better pattern in terms of appearance and image quality. We begin to coordinate a group for each element of the general site, including tiles, trees, furniture, and others, because we will need them at an advanced stage in this series. After that, we move on to approve the images of trees by erasing the excess and refining the image, taking into account that it is of high quality. We continue in this manner with the rest of the tree elements, so I will speed up this part so as not to prolong the video. After all the specifications that we may need are approved, we will adjust the sizes of those merchants through a known form or by resorting to a CAD file. Then we begin the distribution, starting with the interior part of the design, including the diversity of trees and shrubs. Moving on to the main entrance, which must be marked with palm trees or a different and distinctive tree. Then we move to the tree buffer that is located near the walls, whether on the right or left. completing the paths connected to the main entrance, extending into the depth of the project. The type of trees can be changed at any time if it appears that they do not integrate with the project. This situation applies to fence trees, so let us try another type of trees and shrubs for them. Then we move on to put the final touches on the submotion paths. Thus, we have completed the landscaping part of the layout, and see you in the next video. The topic of the next video will be about the final touches to the general site that give it some spirit and vitality. So stay tuned.